All right guys, welcome to the Scram Launch. This has been, us in Royal Enfield have been really excited about the bike. To us it's a bike that's really designed for the guy who only has one bike in the stable. He wants to ride it to work on Monday and go trail riding on the weekend. It's not a full-blown trail bike, as we all can see, but being based on the Himalayan, it is very, very capable off-road. You'd be surprised how good it is off-road. Today's ride is going to be led by Gary over here. I think you've all met Gary. Gary's from Salt Creek Motorcycles. Beautiful. All right, if everyone's good, let's get all suited up and we'll get out of here.
Launch for Royal Enfield, and it's been a fun day. We started off in Kingsliff at the Peppers Resort and just zipped through all the mountainside, all the windy roads. It started raining. I definitely complained, it was very cold, but we kind of zipped through all these little regional towns like Chillingham and then continued on through like Bow Desert, Boona, and ended up here at the Queensland Moto Park, where we're gonna take these off the road onto the dirt and see how they go on the track.
All right guys, here we go. Welcome to the second part of the Scram Launch. This is where we use the scram as in the word scramble. As you can see on the hillside here, this is a natural scramble track. But today we're fortunate to have our Go Fast guy, Josh Farrell, who's our sponsored flat track racer and short track racer, otherwise known as the Stig. So what we're going to do is, Josh is going to jump on his bike and just go out and do a couple of demo laps. You'll find that they're good fun, they're easy to ride, they're just about a laugh basically. So have a ball on them.
Scram is a hoot of a bike. I've had a great time. There's so much fun. The people that are here, not so much, but the bikes are amazing. It's day 2 of the Scram launch, and today we're just packing up the campground and hopping on the bikes again and heading down the coastal highway down south towards Ballina, where we'll stop at Salt Creek Motorcycles, and then everyone will be getting their stuff together, hanging out at the local brewery, so then we can all catch our flights, get in our cars and go back home and dream about the Scram motorbikes all day, every day. Thank you so much to Royal Enfield. It has been such a blast and I'm so excited for another day today. Finished the Scram launch, left Queensland Moto Park, zipped down through northern New South Wales, ended up at Salt Creek Motorcycles through the pouring rain, but we've made it.